Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to fix when your file explorer is opening randomly in Windows 10 or 11. Before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button from there. And comment down below on our videos about your problem, and don't worry, we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Try restarting the file explorer. For this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager, or alternatively, right click on Taskbar and select Task Manager from there. After that, in the Task Manager window, navigate to the Processes tab. Then, select Windows Explorer option from there. After that, just simply right click on it and choose the Restart option. Number 2. Perform a SFC Scan. For this, search for command prompt, right click the top result and select the Run as Administrator option. After this, type the following commands to perform a quick scan on your PC. The command is sfc/scannow. Then be patient and wait till the scanning is complete. Number 3. Remove the AutoPlay. For this, click Start on the taskbar to get started. After that, go to the Start menu and choose Settings option. The Bluetooth and Devices tab should be selected. The AutoPlay navigation option should be chosen from you. After that, you may now customize the AutoPlay settings under Settings. Click the Use AutoPlay for all media and devices option to disable that feature if you don't want it. Nevertheless, it's important to keep this option enabled because it might be helpful. Number 4. Run the virus scan. For this, type Windows Security in the Windows search bar. After that, in the Windows Security window, click on Virus and set Protection. After that, under Current Threads, click on Quick Scan to perform a basic scan. But for a more comprehensive scan, you can also choose Full Scan. After that, just simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the scan. Number 5. Try updating your Windows. For this, press Windows plus I key to open the Windows settings. Then, click on Update and Security option. After that, in the Update and Security window, click on Window Update on the left-hand side panel. Then, just simply click on Check for Updates and let Windows search for any available updates and it will automatically install them. After the updates are installed, just simply reset your computer and check if the function is working correctly or not. Number 6. Perform a system restore. For this, type Create a restore point in the Windows search bar. After that, click on System Restore under the System Protection tab. It will automatically prompt you to select a certain date and open the restoring window. If you previously created a restore point, you should utilize it. Otherwise, the computer will automatically display a recommended date for restoration. Then click Finish to complete the process. Remember, the finishing time is a few minutes. When finished, your computer will automatically reboot. Number 7. Clear File Explorer History. For this, open the File Explorer application, select Option from the menu. After that, select the General tab and click on the Clear button under Privacy to clear the File Explorer history. And then click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. Number 8. Try Clean Boot. For this, press Windows plus R key to display the Run box. After that, in the Run dialog box, type msconfig and press Enter to open the system configuration. After that, in the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab. Then, make sure to check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services and click the Disable All button. Next, go to Startup tab and click on the Open Task Manager. After that, in the Task Manager window, disable all the startup programs by right-clicking on each entry and selecting Disable. After that, close the Task Manager and go back to the System Configuration window. Then, just simply click OK and restart your computer. So this was it for the video guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.